Hi there. Today, our topic is about business impact analysis, part 2. We have a dialogue between David, CTO, and Susie, CFO. After this conversation, we shall analyze the fact, discuss for any control deficiencies, and how to tackle these. Here is the conversation. David, last week we have brainstormed all the business risks that we could have and completed the business impact analysis.
Susie, how is it?
David, the biggest risks that we need to mitigate is related to the high probability in having flood near our headquarters in Singapore during rainy season, where our central servers for the whole region are housed.
Okay, understand. My team will explore further on this. Sure, this is part of the contingency plan and disaster recovery plan, whether we need hot, warm, or cold site. My team will make comparison among these three options and will update you later. Please give us some time.
Some technical terms here. What is hot, warm, or cold site?
Okay, let me explain further. We are talking about the availability of a separate site when we have a disaster occurred. A cold disaster recovery site has fewer facilities, so it's the cheapest option for not having equipment set up and running, but it will take more time to get your site back online. A warm site is the balance of both hot and cold sites. It's configured with system hardware, software, power source, phone, network, etc., and it may have servers and other resources. The infrastructure exists and is running, but intermittently, so a warm site for disaster recovery is not ready for immediate switchover. A hot site is a fully functional backup site that works 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and the data in the servers are continuously being backed up through the hot backup method. The entire environment is already up and running. If a business who are highly dependent on their data prefers hot site to restore data with minimum time, which reduces business downtime and data loss. However, operating a hot site is almost like running two systems at the same time, and hence they increase company costs substantially.
I see. Good to know. Please include financial implications in your proposal, and I shall compare this with the budget.
Okay, this is definitely a big project for your team and mine.
Let's iron this out. Both Susie and David are right. Each company should perform business impact analysis, understanding the potential risks, its likelihood, and possible outcome. Then, to derive a contingency plan and disaster recovery plan for the company. Since the headquarters is located in flooding zone, and it is highly likely that it will be flooded during rainy seasons, the company must explore options to keep the business running during that period. While David is exploring options and the corresponding financial implications, Susie has the role to balance the risks and the costs involved. Not all the risks on the business impact analysis need to be mitigated. It depends on the likelihood and the impact involved. To recap, here are the key controls. While mitigating the highly likely impact to the business, we have to balance costs and benefits. Options need to be explored and financial implications need to be calculated. With hot, warm, cold site being the options, no matter which one is selected. Thorough DR drill tests need to be done to ensure the selected site is working well with each department being involved, in case of disasters taking place. Thanks for your time in watching this episode. If you like this channel, please give me a like, subscribe to this channel, and share with your friends and colleagues who may find this useful to them. Next episode is about outsourcing services. Please turn on the notification bell for update of new episode. Stay tuned.